Hello, in this video we show you the location and how to remove and maybe replace or repair the starter motor on Ford C-Max Mk1 with the 1.6 TI-VCT engine. Before I show you the location of the starter motor, first we're going to remove the negative terminal of the battery. The starter motor on this car is located on the front of the engine. It's located right there. The starter motor is held by 3 bolts. They're on this side. 3 bolts are, one is there, one is on top, and there is a third one right there. Also there is an electrical connector and also 2 nuts that we need to remove for the power cable and the solenoid cable. First, we remove this electrical connector. The 2 nuts for the 2 cables are on that side of the starter motor, just above the oil filter. But in order to get access to them, first we're going to remove the 3 bolts holding the starter motor. And here are the bolts that we need to remove that are holding the starter motor. Now I'm going to start removing them. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And as the 3 bolts are removed, next I'm going to take the starter motor out of its place. If it doesn't want to move when you press it with your hand, maybe use a pry bar just to pry it out of its place. Now that the starter motor is moving, you should somehow turn it in a way so that you can get better access for the nuts holding the 2 cables. Now I try to show you where the location of the nuts is. So one of the nuts is located right there. In order to remove that nut, I'm going to use a long extension, and I'm going to put my ratchet through there, and it will go in all the way to the nut, and I will loosen it, and then maybe I can remove it by hand. That's the nut for the power cable removed. Now I'm going to try and bring down the starter motor so that I can get access to the other nut. Here you can see how I'm turning the starter motor. There is not much space to turn it, but you should be able to turn it just in a way so that you can remove the second nut. And now I'm going to remove the second nut with this ratchet and this long extension. Now that the two nuts are removed, I'm going to take out the starter motor. Here you can see I'm taking out the starter motor, and that's the starter motor out. And here you can see where the location of the two nuts is that I just removed. If you can't take out the starter motor this way, I'll give you another idea of what you can do. You can remove this coolant hose that's going into the oil cooler, and once you remove that coolant hose, it's much easier to take out the starter motor and then to put it back on afterwards. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.